Hello, welcome back to Standard 11.3. I can simplify the product of algebraic expressions with exponents. Alright, guys, it's easy. You're going to like this. To multiply numbers or variables with the same base, add the exponents. Here's what it looks like. You're going to write the base. Your new exponent is going to be the product, the sum of these numbers. 2 plus 3 makes 5. So x to the fifth is our answer. Question 2. 2 to the third times 2 to the fourth. We're going to write 2. 3 plus 4 makes 7. Question 3. A to the fifth times a. A to the 5 plus 1 makes 6. Here we have these two. X to the third times x squared. We're going to write x. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then we're going to write y. And y to the first times y to the fourth. 1 plus 4 makes 5. We're going to have x to the fifth, y to the fifth. Alright? Alright, next page. So, to multiply expressions with coefficients and variables, remember coefficients, the number in front, we have to do two things. Now we're going to multiply the coefficients, the numbers, and then we're going to do what we just did and add the exponents with the same base. So that's going to look like this. We're going to do 4 times 3 to get 12, and then add the 2 here. So x to the second times x to the fifth would be x to the seventh. Right here, 6 times 3, 18. A to the fourth. 3 plus 1 makes 4. Right? 2 times 3 is 6. C squared times c to the seventh, c to the ninth. 1 times 4 is 4. Right? X to the sixth times x to the seventh, x to the 13th. Crazy, right? All right, next one. To find the power of a power, confusing. Now we're going to multiply those exponents. So this is the power of power. Look, it's x to the fourth inside parentheses with the 2 on the outside. That 2 is saying that we're going to multiply x to the fourth times x to the fourth. So we do this. We're going to write the same base. X. Oh, sorry, I need a pen. X. And then I'm going to multiply 4 times 2. 8. This would make x to the 8th. Here, 2 to the fifth raised to the fourth would be 2 to the 20th. 5 times 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. C to the sixth raised to the third power. Well, 6 times 3 equals 18. So this would be c to the 18th. Right? 5 to the 6th raised to 2. Well, 6 times 2 makes 12. So this would be 5 to the 12th. To find the power of a product, multiply each of the exponents, then simplify. Look, we're gonna share this raised to the third to each term. So we want to break these terms apart, share that to the third. So 3 times x to the fifth raised to the third power. We're going to put 3 here and here. So we're going to make this 3 to the third times x to the 15th. Here we have 5 to 7 and 5 to 6. So, or a to the 6th. So 7 to the 5th times a to the 30th. So again, 2 here, 2 here. 4 squared times y to the 8th. Because 4 times 2 is 8. Here, let's do it again. The color I didn't use. There and there. So 6 to the 4th times x to the, let's see, 4 times 3 is 12. So x to the 12th. All right, straightforward. Homework. Here's what our homework is. You're going to start by simplifying. So add. And then you're going to multiply numbers and add the exponents. And then here you're going to distribute that 2 to the other terms, right? And when you do this, multiply your exponent numbers. Write your base and multiply your exponent numbers. And then here you're going to share each one and write them with the new exponent, all right? All right.